Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Midweek video. We have Meijer, we have Walgreens, and we're going to touch on Dollar General really quickly. Some of this stuff at 49 cents, definitely stock up. I mean, it's just a no-brainer if you can track down these exact items, some on clearance and some just in the store. Before we dive into this though, Dollar General is going to be having almost a week-long clearance event. This one is really focused on a lot of new food and new items that I found in store. All of the UPCs, all of the matchups linked at the very end. It starts on Friday the 28th and goes right following to the following Thursday, which I believe is the 3rd of September. Cheap food, cheap items, check it out. And if your store didn't pull these items, it's easier for you. So at the end this video, let's get right into everybody's favorite. That is Walgreens. I found this native deodorant, and I have one of those only for you coupons for $3 off. This item is on clearance for $3.49. Original price about 14 bucks, 49 cents. And it is this sandalwood one. So if you want to look in the clearance section or possibly look in the deodorant aisle, ask for a price check. 49 cents compared to $14, which is probably the running price for deodorant right now. I would definitely stock up on this fanciness. Another item that's on clearance, either 75 or 50%, are some of the Neutrogena products for skincare. Now, if you want to scan or look up these items in the app, if it has this message, which is buy two, get one for free, it is still part of that ongoing promotion that started earlier in the summer. So you would scan the UPC in the app, and if it shows up this way, buy two, get one for free, you're also going to get that makeup bag if your store still has this display, and the makeup bags are right at the top. So yeah, absolutely. Why not? So if you could track down, say, 3 of those clearance makeup wipes, you're only going to pay for 2. You're going to get the third for free, along with getting a free makeup bag. So 2 items completely for free. So those makeup wipes that I was showing for $3.99, again, if you could track down 3 of them and then one of those makeup bags, it's $7.98 for the 4 items, or $1.99 each, which is definitely a stock up price. A bag of Neutrogena wipes is just under $8 at the pharmacies, so fantastic. If you have other Register Rewards or Walgreens cash that you want to throw into this, even if you wanted to do like homemade Ipsy bags for people for Christmas, start thinking ahead, because I think this would be a very meaningful gift. I am going to let you guys know for $3.29, these lip products are not part of the buy two, get one for free in that makeup bag dealio. I did look it up in the app and I was like, oh, this is fantastic. From $12.99 down to $3.29. Like, wow, that is just crazy. A lot of these items in the skincare aisle have clearanced out. Some are 50 still, some are even more at 75. So depending what you like, what you use, check IBOTTA and the different rebate apps as well, in case there might be some rebates or digital coupons for you guys. Lots of face masks too. This one was $1.29. Sorry about my awesome photography. It's not really there, but I think you guys can see what I'm doing. I think these are bar soaps for $2.49 at 50% off. They had some Dr. Bronner's that was 50% off, and I checked yesterday, it's still 50% off. There was bar soap and some sort of liquid wash. I did ask for a price check on that. It was still the same as I showed last week. We have the number 7 as well, $2.79 for these Olay Completes, original price $11.49. Now I'm going to let you guys know there's no frickin' coupons to go with this. So if you have any Register Rewards that you want to toss in, some of these prices, like from almost $48 to $12, that is just something to pounce on. And lots of rock stuff too. I think a lot of stores are just not going to be carrying this stuff anymore, so that's why they're discontinuing it at these prices. My theory though, maybe I'm wrong. A lot of the soccer stuff, like beverages and snacks, 50% off for these Powerades, and a lot of kids' toys too. This is only a couple of dollars off. Wait for it. It will not fly at these prices. I recommend that you know, when they have that summer clearance, often the toys will go then. So it'll be sometime in September. So maybe moonwalk down that aisle. Are you seeing this stuff? And then I know a lot of you would want to use Register Rewards Walgreens Cash to buy toys. This would be definitely ideal, and items that are perfect to go in those Christmas stockings or gifts. And look how adorable this little friend is. But it's only $1.70 off. We need to see some steeper savings. Can't stress it enough if I haven't stressed it already. I think it's time to really stock up on paper. If you have extra register rewards, Walgreens cash, this is one item I would definitely be grabbing. We have a $1.50 store coupon off of this Walgreens generic. So grabbing 3 of these paper towels, I have a lot of pets, so I do go through a lot of this. It's 15. Subtracting that $1.50 times 3, it's $4.50 off. I had 2 $4 register rewards that I tossed into the mix. I did ask the cashier very nicely, like, hey, could you scan every single every barcode of every bag so I could use successfully to register rewards, and that worked out. So I just used $3 of Walgreens cash, and I think it's a super smart little transaction. We're over at Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest. There is no sister store to Meijer. Meijer is Meijer. All of these deals, big thank you to Rolling Coupon Moms on Instagram. She is terrific. The first are these newer Jimmy Dean sausage spiral croissants. There's a brioche, a croissant, and I think a ciabatta breakfast sandwich. So they are a part of the Buy 5, Save 5, and we have a $4 off each. So it will apply to all 5 if you can find up to 5. Hey, listen, if you can only find a couple, grab a couple and then grab 3 other items for your Buy 5, Save 5. I mean, that's just a workaround. But I did put 5 into my cart. My $4 coupon attached 5 times, plus the Buy 5, Save 5 took an additional $5 off. So I paid $4.95 for 5 of these 2 counters of the breakfast sandwiches. I did have one this morning, and they are not bad. Okay, so Meijer gave us this, a 25 off of a $75 basket on P&G products, valid for the next basically 19 days, 2 weeks. It ends on the 15th of September, and this is the $75 basket that I had cooked up. And then in the shop and scan, I kind of added things a little differently, depending what coupons you might have in your shop and scan. So this little friend, we have the Febreze plug-in. It's $3.50 and we have a $3.50 off coupon. It would make it totally free. So these out of pockets will be a little bit extra. So if you are not about it, just go pick up your free plug. That's your deal. I'm just going to show you items that I tossed into a basket. Now, my main card had a 10 off 50 as well for doing a curbside pickup, because I'm not really a curbside pickup girl at Meijer. I like to go in store, investigate. This friend has a $3 digital. I'm just going to orally tell you what coupons go with what, because I don't want to make this a 17-hour video. Swiffer, there's a $2 coupon, and this product is $10.49. It's a 24-pack of these wet packs. Alternatively, there's also I think it's there's a 20 or a 24 pack. Go with the 24 so you're getting more. And then we have the Bounce dryer sheets. I believe it's $12.99, and there's a $3 coupon. Alternatively, you can get that lavender one called Calm, and the $3 coupon is also attaching to those dryer sheets. So you pick which one you prefer. This one's for pet fur, so obviously that is the one that we want for our household. And then we also have the large Tide Pods for $19.99 with a $5 digital. And then there's a large Tide Liquid with another $5 digital, and it's also $19.99. So take a breath. That is a huge amount of digital coupons, pairing it with the 25 off of a $75 transaction. And I know some of these larger number ones can be super uber intimidating, but open up your shop and scan, scan in store, or alternatively, if you have that 10 off 50 like me, just do it from the comforts of your home and try and finesse the math. That's the best way to do it. Because if you're like, hey, I don't like that dryer sheets, or I don't like this, I don't like that, you can always customize it, and you guys already know that. So with the 10 off 50, my basket is $84.04, and by the magic of the app, $61 off. So it's $22.95, and I have to do this one as a curbside pickup. And that 10 off of 50 was a loadable, I think, last week. I never used it. I think for mine, it's a one-time use. So yeah, that's fantastic. If you don't do a lot of curbside pickups, you probably have it in your account. Alternatively, if you're doing this in store, it's probably going to be in the neighborhood between $30 to $33 plus tax. So either way, it's saving a lot of money. Go and make these deals happen at Meijer. You have till I think the 19th of September to make something happen. If it's too big out of pocket, I hear you guys, but why not make something happen? Because for 22 bucks for $80 of merchandise, it's what it's completely about. That's it for this video. We will catch you in the next one. Bye guys. Dollar General linked right here. Bye.